Hi guys, this is Giridhar here. So I'm here with the latest Android version, the Android M. So I've got the developer preview installed on my Nexus 5. So let me tell you some of the features which you might expect in the next final version of the Android, which is the Android M. We still don't know what M stands for, but anyway, let's hope they have some nice name. Yeah, let me start from the lock screen here. So the lock screen is pretty much the same. There's a slight change in the font of the clock, but that's a very minor UI change. Many people might not even notice that. And now instead of the dialer shortcut from the home lock screen, we get to go to the voice activated recognition service. So okay, so that did it well. And apart from that, we have some UI changes. So there are a lot of customization that's happened in the UI. So the first and foremost thing which I would like to highlight is the volume rocker. When you reduce it, it goes to the vibration mode, and then if you still click on it, it goes to do not disturb mode. So now it's in the do not disturb mode, and do not disturb mode, there's another DND mode which is called the alarms, which can be activated from this notification panel here. So clicking on it, you can set your do not disturb for a certain period of time, and then you can go back to your regular mode automatically. So that's about the volume change there. And one little feature which I like very much is the app permissions. So if I go to the apps, and if I go to the advanced mode, and then I see this app permission. So here in the app permission, I see all the permissions listed out in their order there. So let's say location permission here. I click on location and I see all the applications which have location access in my mobile. Let me check off Facebook, and if I deny this access to Facebook, Facebook will no more have location access in my mobile. That's a very nifty feature. It's not something new. We have seen this in Cyanogen mode or even MIUI, and I really love it. I like to be in control when it comes to my mobile applications installed in my mobile. So this gives a lot of control to the user. There are a lot of little features that's been added, which may not be visible in the UI, for example, the automatic data backup. So every now and then, every 24 hours, the data from your apps is getting backupped to your system, to the Google Drive, and there's an unlimited storage on that. And as you can see, now the app drawer is also new, and we have the apps listed out in alphabetical order now, and it's a vertical scrolling, and there's also a search bar in the app, and the first row is always filled by 4 recently used apps. Another little feature is the ability to change the theme. So I have this when I go to developer options and I go down and say select the option called theme, and I can switch from light theme to dark theme, or even there's something called automatic. I'm not sure what it does, but this theme change right now happens only across the settings, but then this is a developer preview. We don't know how this is going to be implemented there. And we also have the system UI tuner. So when I have the system UI tuner on, basically what I'm doing is I'm rearranging my notification shortcuts there. So, and also I can remove off certain things which if I feel I'm not going to use it at all. The next feature which I'm going to talk about is the easy word selection. So now I can select by word. So when I go across the paragraph selecting words, so immediately the words get selected instead of having to go through the individual letters. So my entire word is getting selected, and if at all I want to go back and select certain words, I can come back and do this. But as you can see, selecting whole words is much faster, and it's a welcome new feature there. And there are little features which are added under the hood, like you have this dose which actually detects that if your phone is being used or not. So if your phone is laying flat and nobody's touching it or nobody's interacting with it, it goes to a sleep mode, wherein it still receives some data, still some activities happening, but it conserves a lot of battery, and that will definitely increase the battery effectiveness. And we also have some improvements and some new APIs for the fingerprint sensor. So the future mobiles with Android M will have fingerprint sensor support completely out of the box. And there is another new feature called the Now on Tap. We already have this Google Now, which is like cards placed on your Google Now page, and these cards are kind of relevant to your usage and how you interact with the world. Now let's say I am inside this email, and clicking on the center button, long pressing it will bring out this card layout, and essentially this card layout will have details that are relevant to what is there on the screen in the background. So right now it is not available in the developer preview, but it will come definitely in the final version. And also you can uninstall the apps directly from the home screen here. So if I want to remove this particular game, so I need not go to settings and uninstall it. From the app drawer I can directly go and uninstall it. So thanks for watching the video. Do stay tuned for more of my videos, and if you like my videos, do subscribe. And this is Girdhar signing off.